Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to view your name and headline on LinkedIn using your PC. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to ensure your professional profile is looking its best. First, open LinkedIn.com in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar LinkedIn interface. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a small icon labeled Me. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. On this page, click on Visibility from the options listed. This section allows you to control how others see your profile. Now, within the visibility settings, look for Profile Viewing options. Click on this to access the settings related to how your profile appears to others. Here, you have the ability to customize what information is visible when someone views your profile. To view your name and headline, you need to ensure that these are set to be visible. Choose the option that allows others to see your name and headline. This is important because your headline is a crucial part of your LinkedIn profile, acting as a digital elevator pitch that summarizes your professional role and expertise. By following these steps, you can ensure that your name and headline are visible to others, which is essential for networking and making a strong impression on potential employers or clients. Remember, your LinkedIn headline is one of the first things people see when they search for you or visit your profile, so it's worth taking a moment to review and adjust it if needed. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily view and manage how your name and headline appear on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to enhance your professional presence or simply want to make sure everything is in order, this guide should help you get started. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful.